Drop it. Like a cracker. Delicate.
Kayla, give it small ones.
No! You stupid peacock.
Peacock.
It's not a peacock.
It's a baby one.
Go get him, Kelsey.
Hey, little hopper. Hopper, little hopper.
Have a cigarette.
They hops. It looks like a kangaroo.
Get it.
Go get him.
Except for not as long.
Not throw it. Go get him. You know he's not going to eat it. The grackle's just going to take it.
Wait. Watch out. Here's the jackpot.
Looking down. Like you stole my food.
Oh, here he comes.
You can throw that away.
Go get him.
Yeah? Is that how you feel? Yeah.
What happened to the little rock over
It's a French fry face-off.
Billy, wait, Hopper! Wait, let me go to Hopper.
Hopper!
You scared it away. Here, Hopper. Hey, Grackle. Oh, I'm not gonna do that in front of people. What? Nothing to do with people right there. Hopper, see the pretty thing.
Kels, just go chase him so I can turn this off.
No. Hey, look at the little birdie. Look at the little birdie.
Let's scare him. Wait, what?
Come on, Kels, chase him so I can finish this. Just like the good old days.
I'm not allowed to paparazzi me for chasing a bird.
Just like the good old days, chasing the buzzards and the pigeons and.
There you go. Yeah, that's only for about a second.
He's circling around. He's coming back in.
But he kept on getting close. Are you recording this?
No, I'm waiting for a good shot.
I'm probably gonna be blurry.